Are you looking for the best foam rollers? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best foam rollers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best overall foam roller. We've seen these everywhere, from physical therapists' offices to the gym and the homes of many athletes and weekend warriors. Its rise to fame is due to its versatility and durability as a self-care tool, characteristics we attribute to its unique design. Its popularity also hinges upon its affordable price point, which is a huge asset for many people looking for at-home gear. The trigger point grid has a hollow core, made possible by 0.2 of hard plastic tube surrounded by a ½ inch of multi-density EVA foam. The topographical features of this roller are modest but just right. The surface texture strikes a perfect middle ground between being super bumpy and completely smooth. Combined with the harder sections of foam and tight diameter of 5.35, these features allow you to pinpoint specific muscle groups. This stellar roller weighs in at 1.8 pounds and is just under 13. The trigger point's short length made it slightly less versatile and ergonomic than others we tested. Folks with broad shoulders may find it too narrow to roll out their backs, and though it's not soft, those seeking an intense rolling session may not find the trigger point to be quite firm enough. Number 2. Best for traveling. The Brazen Morph Collapsible utilizes a clever and simple system to pack flat in just a few seconds. We were dubious of the mechanism's stability even though Brazen claims it will support 350 pounds. In an effort to test this, we jumped on it repeatedly and even laid 2 adults on it simultaneously, and it didn't buckle. It's constructed from bamboo, recycled aluminum, and recycled foam, and we appreciate the use of recycled materials and renewable resources like bamboo. When this roller is folded flat, it's just over 14 long by 6.5 wide and 1.9 tall. When set up for use, its length felt like the perfect size, wide enough to roll out the upper back effectively while remaining packable. The latex-free EVA foam also inspires confidence in the longevity of this product. Our favorite thing about the Brazen Collapsible is the versatile topography. The exterior is soft enough for use on more sensitive areas but firm enough to get into the knots in your meaty quads if that is what your body needs. We found that users new to the Brazen Morph had a tendency to only partially open the foam roller, and as such, we recommend checking to make sure it's fully deployed. This isn't something that takes away from this roller's ability to loosen knots, but it is something to be aware of. Furthermore, due to the panel design devised for collapsibility, this model does not roll as smoothly as others we tested. Number 3. Best for an aggressive self-massage. This intensely textured roller is our go-to when we have serious knots to contend with. We tested the extra firm option, though there is one that is slightly less rigid. The consistent topography across the rumble roller makes learning how to use it a breeze. This roller is definitely a specialty piece of equipment in that it can pretty much only provide a deep massage. But after excessive testing, we grew used to the sensation and can confidently say that the rumble roller doesn't feel quite as aggressive as it looks. We love that this roller has multiple size options, all of which are latex-free and waterproof. The rumble roller is not the roller we recommend for beginners because of the intensity of its protrusions. Our preference would be to have this roller and a softer, secondary roller to round out our massage tool lineup. The more aggressive topography also takes away from this roller's versatility. If you want a do-it-all foam roller, the rumble roller isn't the best option because it is hard to dial back the intensity. But if you want a roller that is capable of accessing your deepest knots, this is a great choice for you. We also like the wavy topography of the trigger point rush, which is a bit less intense. Number 4. Most unique roller. The compact size makes this unique device easier to tote around than many of the typical foam rollers we tested. While there are many size options available, we found that the 6-inch size crossed over from being a yoga wheel to being used as a foam roller with ease. Though it took some time, we found we could roll out popular locations like our IT bands and calves. The durability of the inner tube and the outer foam is exceptional, with the outer foam being tough in the face of abrasions and the occasional clawed dog paw. Though we fell in love with many of the applications of the chirp wheel, it won't take the place of a traditional roller in some ways. While many body parts are pretty accessible with this wheel, some rolling is best done with a standard-sized roller. We recommend this yoga wheel to anyone looking to expand their fitness gear arsenal, but we hesitate to recommend it to beginners who want to learn about foam rolling.